Physics is the study of the physical world. Its main intent is to describe the laws governing energy, matter, space, and time. If studying physics interests you, it turns out that UC San Diego offers one of the strongest physics programs in the United States. Let's talk more about it.
So, out of all the great schools in the US, why should you choose UC San Diego? Well, UC San Diego is ranked 12th out of 159 colleges in the US for physics, and making it one of the best UCs and actually one of the best colleges in the US as a whole if you want to study physics. Additionally, there are lots of undergraduate research opportunities which help undergraduate students and other physics interested people build skills that will be useful for job market and beyond, or just curiosity. So depending on one's level of interest, there are basically 3 different tracks you can take in physics. You can take the 1 series, you can take the 2 series, or you can take the 4 series.
The Physics 1 series is an introductory course into physics covering mechanics, electricity and magnetism, waves, optics, and modern physics. It has labs that go from 1AL to 1CL. The people who are intended to take this are bio majors and other life science majors, but also those who require physics as a gen ed.
The Physics 2 series is intended for majors such as engineering, chemistry, and astronomy and astrophysics. Some of the content that is covered in the series is mechanics, E&M, thermodynamics, and optics. Depending on your major, you will take various physics labs such as 2EL, 2CL, and 2DL, where you can do different physics experiments and learn how to write formal lab reports.
The first course is mechanics. It's a rigorous introduction to the mechanics that you perhaps did in high school. It's a study of motion. However, unlike AP Physics, this one emphasizes derivations and problem solving beyond just rote memorization. It might not be the same. The next course, Physics 4B, a course on waves, fluids, statistical and thermal physics, and also vibrations, even though it's not in the name. It introduces the idea of emergence, which is when a system made of many things, many interacting components, display properties that the individual components themselves do not have alone. Then we have Physics Course C, which is your course on electricity and magnetism. It is a course that is going to be a little bit pushing your limits in the mathematics early on with vector calculus. For maximum displacement current, we go to Physics 4D, a course on electromagnetic waves, optics, and relativity. Special relativity is a course actually focused in light, covering the wave nature of light, optics, and special relativity from the constancy of the speed of light. Lower division physics finishes with Physics 4E. Quantum physics is a first look at quantum theory, and it builds on the mathematical maturity that you have gained. You're likely to encounter a lot of math that you will not see in your math courses during your time in the 4 series. However, that's fine, you will be briefly introduced to all of this math that you need to know. However, if you want to know more about it, you can see the following courses.
If you have any questions about classes, degree planning, or academic advice, reach out to the Virtual Advising Center, or VAC. That's the main hub for communication within the physics department. Keep an eye out for emails from the physics department for newsletters, updates on lab tours, and workshops and special events as well. Don't forget to check out SPS, the Society of Physics Students. We host a lot of fun events, professional opportunities, and socials throughout the year. Follow us on Instagram to stay connected with SPS.